Hello everybody at the Fundamental Right Forum. I firstly wanted to say thank you for the invitation. Unfortunately, I can't be with you today, but I wish you a perfect and great event. I really want to say thank you as well, because I think events like this one are very important for our society. As your motto of this forum is connect, reflect and act, I think that basically says it all. You have to connect with people to reflect different opinions and point of views, and then you have to take actions to hopefully change something. And well, again, thank you so much for doing that, and thank you for stepping up for everybody who is in a not that good situation. Thanks.